The way that you earn respect with yourself and others is through fucking performance. So I'm now going to walk you through the concrete steps that you're going to get to that level of performance. Step number 1, you have to own your life. If you're blaming other people for the state of your life, you are fucked, my friend, because you're pointing at the wrong person. You're looking in the wrong place. Why? Not because you won't be victimized. You will be victimized in your life. Unfair shit is going to happen to you. Bad breaks are going to come your way. But I will ask this question. And now what? What are you going to do about it? The only thing you can really do is get fucking strong, toughen up, carry whatever burden you have, and show people that you can do anything you set your mind to. But to do that, you've got to take responsibility for becoming great. Step number 2, you guys are going to have to get super comfortable being uncomfortable. Whether that means that you want to go run a marathon or ask somebody for their phone number, whatever your uncomfortable is, you want to be able to live in that space and be chill about it, because adaptation only happens when you get way outside of your comfort zone, when you get to fatigue, when you get to absolutely not being able to lift another rep. That's when your body shifts over into adapt or die mode and you begin to actually make progress. Step number 3, you need to get up every time you fail. This is one of those things that you can practice. Look, there's no way to guarantee that you're not going to fail, but you can certainly practice getting up every time you fail. Success is going from failure to failure to failure without a loss of enthusiasm. So reframe that failure as a learning experience, because failure is truly the most information-rich data stream there is. Step 4, you're going to have to get mentally tough. You've got to stop asking how little you can get away with and start asking one of the most powerful questions in the universe, which is how much can you bear? Life is fucking hard. That is just a truth, but you have a choice. All of us have a choice. Whether we're going to be weak or we're going to be strong, because at the end of this, you really are, if you put in the work, going to be unstoppable.